A chemical reaction occurs when ferrous metals that contain iron come in contact with oxygen and moisture. The iron atoms begin to lose their electrons and create iron oxide. And there you have it. Rust finds a way. Hey guys, welcome back to Lammon Customs. This video we actually filmed back in 2019 when we were working on our Jurassic Park Explorer that we jokingly called Spared Some Expense. So check out the video. We're going to be covering the brakes on this one. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel. Please hit like and subscribe. As you can see, we ended up ordering a bunch of parts. This is what we were starting with. And rather than try to do any repairs to this stuff, it's just so far gone that we ended up ordering new rotors, new calipers, brake pads, and even new brake hoses. So we got all of our parts laid out here, and we're going to tackle this project on the Spared Some Expense Explorer. Okay. We're going to go ahead and put the new rotor on, the new bearing on, new seals. Carefully get that into place. So and put the spindle nut on. And actually make a specific tool for this that we actually have. Where's that tool? Okay, I need a now on the Ford, uses a 2 3/8 inch on this Explorer. You want to use the right tool. Some people try to use a hammer and a chisel or a punch or something to try to get it off, and vice versa. Use the right tool, you know, that way you don't do any damage. Okay, got that on now. There's a little locking pin that goes in to hold this in place that keeps it from trying to rotate off. We're going to grab that here quick out of our part. Okay, you can see that's a little keyway. It goes in here, helps lock this into place. Should, in theory, just slide in there. We may have to back this off just a hair. That keyway to go in there. Okay, as you can see, we got the rotor back on, bearings on, just got the caliper on. We're putting the brake hose on now. Got all the pins back in, new brake pads, stuff we're getting there. Just got to swap out these hoses. This other one wasn't changed that long ago, but it did have a slight crack forming in it, and you know, for the cost of a brake hose, it's not worth risking anybody's safety on. So we're changing it out so everything's all brand new through there. And